Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. Yeah, on the SEI chart, I'm looking for potential leading diagonal here to the upside as per the yellow microstructure. It is only marked with a question mark because at the moment it is not yet confirmed that really a low has been established on the 13th of April. However, the price did react to the 38.2 retracement, and it's possible that a B wave bottomed on the 13th of April at 41 cents after an A wave topped here. That was on the 19th of February. So this is interesting now. If we zoom out a little bit, we can highlight that this move up was an A wave in 3 waves. I think we can get away with counting that as a 5-wave move as well. Then it would be a diagonal pattern. That's possible as well, but it doesn't really matter. If I'm considering all of this as an ABC structure, then the A wave could be a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. Either way, the downside so far into the yellow support zone looks corrective. So the support area is defined between 15.8 cents and 41.7 cents. Below 15.8 cents, the bullish outlook on this chart will seriously get challenged. It is, however, possible that even below that level, that the chart just drops a little bit lower, but this is the invalidation point. It is at basically 9.5 cents. Now that's of course too far away, and nobody would suggest that we maintain a bullish perspective if we go down that much, because it would just indicate that something different is going on. But technically, I just want to highlight, this is the invalidation point for an A-B setup, but we know that a B wave would technically reverse in this region with a high likelihood between 41.7 cents and 15.8 cents. But I would doubt that we go down that much. Okay, so it's even possible that we've already bottomed. Why? Because so far the price has broken above the descending trend line. We've seen only 3 waves up, however, so that's not yet clear to me. However, the 3rd wave reached the 1.38 extension. That's quite promising, and it's close to breaking, however. Okay, and this would only be a diagonal, so can't really trust it until we have a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. At the moment, it just takes one more high to indicate initially that we have already bottomed. Takes a 5th wave to 74 cents. The 5th wave should normally reach minimally the 1.618 extension level, and the 3rd wave the 1.38. So that's sort of where we are right now. It just takes one more high. This is, however, close to breaking. The micro support is defined between 53.4 cents and 58.8 here in this 4th wave, and it is a nice 3-wave move down into micro support, as you can see here. 3 waves down, but ideally this is now in this low. Okay, if I add here an ABC structure, then you see A wave, B wave, C wave of 4, and typically we don't want a 4th wave to go below the 61.8 retracement in a diagonal. In an impulse, it shouldn't even break below the 50% fib level. In a diagonal, it shouldn't break below the 61.8. Hasn't broken it, but it's very close to breaking. So I'm watching for one more high. Yeah, and the break below 53.4 cents indicates that the 4th wave has actually topped, and we're coming down in the 5th wave to form one more low. But then it might be worth watching, because the next low could be the last one. Difficult price action, but SEI is one of the coins that indeed could have bottomed already, also with a higher likelihood, because the 3rd wave there in yellow, which is part of that potential leading diagonal, actually reached the 1.38 extension, which is what I want normally as a minimum, really, as a first ideal target for a 3rd wave. If we don't even reach that level, I often wouldn't consider that it's actually in the process of bottoming, or that the low is already in. I mean, it's always a bottoming process, right? It's not like, there's a point. It's a process. We have the actual low point, and then it's about confirming it through an initial 5-wave rally to the upside, which we might see right now, and the subsequent 3-wave pullback. That's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.